Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you might have missed in the new Dress to Impress Wicked update. So the first one, I'm sad to say, but they did rework the headpiece on this set. I don't remember what the set is called, I'm sorry. But basically, it looked like there's two ears instead of just like one like this. I don't know, how do you guys feel about it? Maybe it is good for like Renaissance headpieces. I don't know. Maybe you can turn it into something like that. It used to look like this, by the way. Second one is the banana shoes. They actually moved here. And there are actually 3 shoes you might have missed. One's here, and the alphabas, one is here. And then the broom is kind of camouflaged a little bit if you didn't really see it. It's actually here. It's like kind of the same color as a tree. The bubble is here. You guys probably seen that. The Grimoire is here. You can open it, open looking down. Pretty cool. And in free play mode, you can actually teleport to the land of Ozwell, to the lobby, by going here and pressing teleport. And you will be teleported here. There's a lot of like spots to take pictures. You can take pictures like here. You can take pictures inside of here. There's one spot you might not go to, and it is up these flowers. You can actually climb them and take pictures here on the treehouse. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!